Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy Okagbare. Today I'm going to show you how I process my black eyed peas to make moi moi or akara. I first split it. I have this corn meal that I use to split it. It's easier when you split it. So this is how I do it, but if you don't have it, you could use a blender. So this is the final product. I use the quantity I want and bag the rest. So this is the blender version. You could just put it in a blender. You could pause it or just let it run a few seconds. And voila, this is the product. So when I'm done, I take it to the sink and I let water run into the beans, let it get wet. Then I'll start rubbing them with both hands. I do it a couple of times, make sure the skin peels off. So this is really easy because it's already split into two, or just split, and it's easier for the skin to come off. So you don't have to do this for a long time. By the way, if you think this method is too hard for you or you don't want to go through the stress of washing, splitting, washing, they sell this at the African store, already washed, the skin is off, and there's still beans powder. Just add water and everything you want to use and you are good to go. So I swirl it around, makes it easier for the skin to float to the top, then I pour it out. It's easier because if you don't swirl it, sometimes the skin is hiding underneath some beans. So I swirl it and I start to pick it. When I know it's really clean, you don't really see a lot of the skin, the eye of the black eyed peas. I just go through it, pick out the black, any discoloration or the skin. Some people don't mind, they don't mind a couple left, but I like mine clean. So when I'm done, after going through it, when I'm done, I'm just gonna soak it till I need it for a couple of hours. This is a whole version. I just pour water, wet it and wash it directly. Then I can still put it in a blender and let it just pulse it for a few minutes or just let it run, then start washing it. This is really the easiest. It comes off very fast. I know it's a small quantity, but it's really fast because it's split and the skin is off, so it's really very fast. So if you are new to my channel, this is a good time to subscribe, click the like button and the notification bell for more alerts whenever I post a video. So see, it's done. So this one is the whole. I prefer to just wash it immediately, just get it wet and start scrubbing it. It's easier for me, but some people, they soak it overnight. I am terrified to try it. So I'm struggling a little bit because it's more than 5 minutes soak. So I'm gonna get a grater to help. So just use the bigger part of the grater, just scrub it on it lightly. Just apply little pressure and run it over like that. It's splitting a little bit, splitting into two. So I'll start washing. So this is washing it whole and using the grater. So I'm just taking my time to pick out the skin. Some of them are still whole, so I have to manually remove some of them with my hand. This took a longer time compared to the rest. This took a longer time to do, so I'm just showing you every version, whichever way you prefer to use. See, everything is clean, so I'm gonna soak it. So this one was soaked for a few minutes and put in the blender. So it's the fastest and the easiest. It comes so very fast. The other one is the one that was split with the cornmeal or blender, then washed, is the second fastest. Then the last one is the one I washed whole. When I was struggling, I used the grater to do it. Some people just go for the grater. I prefer to just wash it straight immediately it's wet, but I just let it sit for a little bit, so it's a little bit longer. So you can give any of these methods a try. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Till I see you next time. Bye.